Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your media kit. First, understand that a media kit is a powerful tool for showcasing your brand to potential partners and press. It acts as a comprehensive package, providing all necessary information in one convenient place. We'll cover the key steps to prepare, create, and distribute an effective media kit, ensuring your brand stands out. This guide will help you present your story professionally and attract valuable opportunities. Your media kit should contain several crucial elements to be truly effective. Start with a concise, engaging brand story that captures your essence in about 100 to 150 words. Always include high-resolution images, such as your logo in various formats and professional product shots. Don't forget to add impressive statistics, like a 20% growth in audience engagement and glowing testimonials from satisfied clients. Finally, ensure clear contact details are readily available. When crafting your media kit, selecting the right format is key. A well-designed PDF is a popular choice, but a dedicated web page can offer more interactive elements. Focus on a clean, professional design that aligns perfectly with your brand's visual identity, using consistent colors and fonts. Remember to customize your kit for various audiences. For instance, a kit for a tech blog might highlight different aspects than one for a lifestyle magazine. Always double-check that all links and downloadable files are working correctly. Once your media kit is polished, it's time for distribution. Proactively share it with journalists, influencers, and potential partners who align with your brand. Make it effortlessly accessible on your website, perhaps on a dedicated press or media page, ensuring it's just 1 or 2 clicks away. Monitor how your kit is received and gather feedback to refine its impact. Remember to update your media kit at least every 6 months, or whenever you have significant news or achievements to share, keeping it fresh and relevant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.